Hi there, this is Jen, and thanks for stopping by. Today is new product reveal day for Whimsy Stamps, and I am revealing this super cute 4x6 clear stamp set. It is called Yeti to Party. And included in this set are 3 Yetis. There's 2 bigger Yetis and then a small square. So the big Yetis have, one of them has his hands full of presents, the other one has his hands full of cake, and then the other one's got a little party hat. The sentiments are you Yeti for cake, Yeti or not, Yeti to party, monster size wishes, and it's your birthday. And I'm going to stamp this up using my platform because I'm going to use this stamp to create my sample cards, and I wanted to make sure that I got it. But these do stamp up beautifully just with a stamping block. So I went ahead and I stamped the Yeti with a cake, and then one of the sentiments that says, "Are you Yeti for cake?" And here are a few cards created using the Yeti stamp set, as well as some of the other new release products. So if you want to get your Yeti today, I will leave a description of the products that I used on these cards for you below. So I hope you check those out. Don't forget to check out the Whimsy Stamps a Facebook page, as well as the blog and the Pinterest, so that you can get lots of inspiration for your new products. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope to catch you next time.